Each one of them, you should have one special tray. But for demonstration, for special tray, I will make only one, and the other is required from you. So here we start with the upper one. First step, we will put Vaseline. Lubricate the surface with Vaseline. Vaseline, it makes detachment between the wax and the cast. Detachment, we mean separation. قلمكم لبوبين الماركر بين بيشتك بي.
هذا مين؟
Here we have surface area. Draw a line directly perpendicular to the ground like this, and this is the border that we can work with. And here posteriorly we have posterior palatal seal or vibrating line. This is vibrating line or posterior palatal seal, and this is the other border for the special tray. So now what we are going to do, after lubricating by Vaseline, we will just put أو ده كيفي ولا ده كم؟ Okay, after that you will bring a layer of wax and we will cover the ruggy area and the ridge. Why? So as to make a separation, so as to make a space for impression material. Why we use special tray? For taking detailed impression. For taking detailed impression. Impression شو مظبوط يبقى special tray. Because it's only fitting on this ridge. It's not going to be set on the other ridges. And it's specific for this one, for this patient. So now we will bring a part of wax just softening it so as to be adapted easily on the ridge. Excessive parts, cut them. Here you see the line, and then perpendicular to the ground And also here we need a space between wax and the line, the guideline. Here we cut about 1 to 2 millimeters from the wax so as to make this space.
What is the reason, doctor?
Reason for what?
Cutting 1 or 2 millimeters. Expectation for any expectation?
لا استنى بقى نشرح.
Okay.
This is a layer of wax. It makes space between the cast and the acrylic. This is for impression material. And now here we apply a layer of acrylic directly on the wax, and it's going to be reaching to this line. Directly on the line we can cut the acrylic. This space that we made here, which it was 1 millimeter, it's going to be filled by acrylic. Finally it's going to be a border for the special tray. بالضبط أول لاين دبتها بوردرك لبس سبيشال تري أكيد. This is called cure acrylic. Okay, called cure acrylic. This much is going to be enough for a special tray. فرقناك اللي تخسر دبي. The thickness of special tray it's between 1 to 2 millimeters. Not to be less than 1 millimeter and not to be more than 2 millimeter. Between 1 to 2 millimeter. First we put the powder and then gradually we will pour the liquid on it. ايه بله دەتوانێت چه ستێپەکانیە کلیک دەزانی لە فێری وەرتان گرتیە بەڵێ ستێپەکانی کە سێت دەبی فلان ستێج یەک ستێج دو ستێج سێ هیچ جێم لێ نییە دەنگت نایە
There is the last stage.
Eh? Okay. Let's tell me about stages. Their names. Okay. Tell me medical terms about this. You don't know. Testan stepakan nazana.
Bazen rigid يهبو elastic يهبو stick you.
اوكي اول بخوتان ثيوريا يدي معلومات هبي نبي كيف خوتانا I'm not supposed here to explain everything for you باشا this is theoretical part you are responsible to know all these names you are responsible of them here I will just show you the practical way cover it by something for example now here we cover it by wax and then we will wait till it's reaching to the duft stage, which it is working stage.
ثاني بيتي
بله؟
ثاني بيتي ذا ميجا ستيج.
أول جزء أنا كوتر باودر ريشو تأثير دكاتة. صممي تيسان زوجي. بله؟ سد دبی بله. This and water powder ratio تأثير دكا. But a few minutes it will reach to the duft stage. Vale. Yes. It should be covered. No.
حركة كمان الإجناس الأكريليكية.
duff stage. ساعتنا الإجرام ساعتنا الإجرام ساعتنا اشتهنا فانجر
إذا ساعتها وبعدين على لا بس خبرك المحاضرة هذه يذكر عليه سنة
بزمان الجواب في
أقليدي
ولا
مرة واحدة
الطلاب كلهم لازم يشوفون الكاميرا بس هذول يصورون من هنا كاميرا مسيطرة أكثر عليه تمام؟ Okay, now we reach to the duff stage.
كاميرا خيالية.
Here we put a bit of Vaseline here sauce to make separation between acrylic and the table. You can use glass, table, everything. Cut the excessive parts. It reaches till the sulcus area, deepest point. liquid, and the liquid is delaying setting time. And also for smoothing we use the liquid also. Now we just do some smoothing for the outer layer. Check the thickness, it should be equal. We set between 1 to 2 millimeters. The extra part can be used for making handle. The handle directly it's going to be set on the ridge. And then just make a step like this. Why we do this step? So as not to irritate patient's mouth. And then we will wait. We will put something here and then wait till it becomes hot and it becomes hard. طبعا كبراق ده بيجرم ده عادة. That's it. And then we have straight hand piece with acrylic bed. We will just remove extra parts, sharp edges. We will do some roundation for the borders. Any roughness, everything, it will be removed by this acrylic bed. Acrylic bed ده ما كرد بوانية لليستكي.
نعم بيركنا ولا.
acrylic bed ترانية. دوا إضافة straight hand piece and acrylic bed باشا. طواب هذا عندنا.